Hey, Denver property owners. Are you thinking about renting out your home or investment property? Wondering about the costs involved with hiring a property manager? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Danny with Walters & Company Property Management, and today we're breaking down property management fees so you know exactly what to expect. Colorado is still one of the top places people are relocating to, according to KDVR.com. Around 265,000 people move to the state each year, many of them searching for rental homes, making it a great market for property investors just like you. Owning a rental property is a fantastic way to generate passive income, but being a landlord can be a full-time job. That's where we come in. A property management company like Walters & Company can help handle the day-to-day operations while you sit back and enjoy your returns. Now, let's talk about the costs involved in property management fees. Fees vary based on several factors like the services provided, the location of your property, and the type of property that you have. Whether that's single family, multifamily, or commercial, these fees typically follow one of two structures: a percentage of rent collected or a flat monthly fee. Many property management companies charge a fee based on percentage of rent collected. This usually falls between 8 and 10% of the monthly rent. If you own multiple properties, you may qualify for an even lower percentage. Be sure to check your contract. It should state that the fee is based on rent collected, not just rent due. Otherwise, you could end up paying fees even if your tenant is not paying. Another option is a flat monthly fee. This is a fixed dollar amount you pay each month based on your property's size, square footage, and the services included in your package. Flat fees offer predictability, making budgeting for property management simple, but may not include comprehensive services or maintenance fees. Maintenance fees are not included in your management costs. A property reserve is typical here in the Denver market and is used as your maintenance slush account. This reserve is replenished as needed by owners. Walters & Company offers full-service maintenance services with no maintenance fee coordination. At Walters & Company, we believe in transparent pricing and maximizing your rental income. Our team helps you reduce expenses, find great tenants, and optimize your rental's value. We make property ownership simple and stress-free so you can enjoy the benefits without the headaches. Want to learn more about how we can help you increase your rental income while lowering your workload? Contact Walters & Company Property Management today. Let's turn your property into a hassle-free investment.